National Weather Service in Lee City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Montgomery County and north central Harris County until 3:30. At 3:07, a severe thunderstorm was located over Hurricane Harbor Splashtown, or Silver Spring, moving east at 20 miles an hour. Locations impacted include Humboldt, Spring, Kingwood, the Woodlands, Oak Ridge North, Wood Branch, Atascocita, Chateau Woods, Hurricane Harbor Splashtown, Porter Heights, the Woodlands Pavilion, Northern Bush Intercontinental Airport, Lake Houston, New Caney, and Porter. Again, a severe thunderstorm warning in effect for southeastern Montgomery County and north central Harris County until 3:30